Pronouns. Pronouns replace nouns. Ready? A sentence is made up of subject, verb, object. Mark gave Ron a pen. Mark can say, I gave Ron a pen. Ron received a pen from me. I gave him a pen. It was given to him. Subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Object pronouns me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Possessive pronouns my, mine, your, yours, his, his, her, hers, its, our, ours, your, yours, their, theirs. Reflexive pronouns myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Correct the error in 5 seconds. Subject pronoun me don't know. I don't know. Would yourself like a slice of cake? Would you like a slice of cake? Mark said that him was not going. Mark said that he was not going. If Jess wants food, her would take it. If Jess wants food, she would take it. I chopped a tree and they fell. I chopped a tree and it fell. I think us should go to class now. I think we should go to class now. Ask the boys if them want food. Ask the boys if they want food. Object pronoun. Kay said to buy a phone for she. Kay said to buy a phone for her. She sat between my brother and I. She sat between my brother and me. I am offering yourself a job. I am offering you a job. Dad will carry we to the beach. Dad will carry us to the beach. Tom and Bob said to bring snacks for they. Tom and Bob said to bring snacks for them. The car was dirty, so Dad washed them. The car was dirty, so Dad washed it. Don said Mom would take care of he. Don said Mom would take care of him. Possessive pronoun. It is my book, but the bag is not mine's. It is my book, but the bag is not mine. This is not yours stuff, but that is yours. This is not your stuff, but that is yours. Joe lost he money, so that must be his. Joe lost his money, so that must be his. She bag has a red tag, so it is hers. Her bag has a red tag, so it is hers. My car got a checkup, so the noise is not its. My car got its checkup, so the noise is not its. We school gave us the books that were ours. Our school gave us the books that were ours. If it's you all house, clean what's yours. If it's your house, clean what's yours. Those are them books and the pens are theirs. Those are their books and the pens are theirs. Reflexive pronoun. I usually clean up after me. I usually clean up after myself. You can do it all by you, self. You can do it all by yourself. He did all his work by his self. He did all his work by himself. She wanted all the cake for she-self. She wanted all the cake for herself. The dog messed all over itself. The dog messed all over itself. We are very proud of us. We are very proud of ourselves. Give you all a round of applause. Give yourselves a round of applause. My kids can take care of their self. My kids can take care of themselves.